Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to Easy Cook with Mila. Today we are going to see in our kitchen a recipe from the Mughlai cuisine. It is known for its sophistication, richness and of course taste. So my dear friends, we are going to see how to make chicken changezi, which is rightly called murg changezi. A famous dish in Delhi. There is a lots of interesting steps involved in this process. Let's enjoy cooking this recipe. Let's start. Bismillah. First let's marinate a chicken. I have taken around 500 grams of chicken. To this we are going to add in some dry spices. Here I am using a half teaspoon of coriander powder, half teaspoon of red chili powder, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric, 1/4 teaspoon of garam masala, 1/4 teaspoon of chili flakes, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper powder and some salt to taste. So we are going to add all this to our chicken. 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, 2 tablespoons of curd, let's mix this. This we are going to leave for 15 minutes minimum. This you can prolong up to 2 hours. Nicely coat the chicken with the marinade and let's leave this for 15 minutes. Let's fry the chicken. So we don't want to over fry the chicken, just we need to shallow fry, a kind of grilling. We are using very less oil for this, so around 3 tablespoons. So oil is hot now. Let's place the chicken. Meanwhile, let the chicken get roasted nicely. So meanwhile, we'll prepare the gravy. So now we are going to prepare our changezi gravy. For this I have taken a wok and I am adding in 3 tablespoons of oil. So once the oil is hot, we are going to add in some onions. I have taken 1 medium size onion sliced. We are going to fry this onion. If you have readily fried onion, you can directly use this, so you can skip this step of frying. We want our onions to be nice and golden. Meanwhile, let's flip our chicken pieces. For this we don't want to over fry the chicken, otherwise it will turn hard. So we want our chicken to be nice, soft and juicy. See to that the onion gets fried evenly. Keep stirring occasionally. Let's check on a chicken. Our onion is fried enough. Now we'll add the powder spices. Half tablespoon of chaat masala, half tablespoon of coriander powder, half tablespoon of Kashmiri chili powder, half teaspoon of cumin powder, half teaspoon red chili powder, half teaspoon garam masala and some salt to taste. Let's add all these powder spices to our gravy. Saute this nicely till it turns aromatic and the raw smell disappears. To this we are adding in 1/4 cup of tomato puree. You can add grind the tomato and add also. Saute this for some time. So and we are going to add in cashew powder, that is 1.5 tablespoon of cashew powder. You have to nicely grind the cashew, and you can even make into a fine paste and add. Here I am using powder. Mix it nicely. You don't want lumps. Add little water. This gives a gravy a rich and nice consistency. Mix it well. Meanwhile, our chicken is also nicely getting roasted. We want the chicken, all the sides of the chicken to get roasted. Our gravy is also getting ready. As we added the cashew powder, it has turned thick. You can see. Let's smoke a piece of charcoal on the other side. We are going to give smoke to our chicken, our fried chicken. This the balance marinade masala, we are adding that also to our gravy. 2 tablespoons of milk. Leave it in a sim. Meanwhile, let's check on the chicken. Flip the chicken on the other side. We wanted all the sides to get roasted nicely. Now we are going to smoke the chicken so that we get a nice barbecue effect. So now our chicken is nicely roasted. For smoking, I am using a peel of onion. To this I am placing the charcoal and add some oil to it. Immediately close it. Our gravy is getting ready. I am adding in some water. Now we are going to place this chicken to the gravy, so you can dilute little water. Let's quickly add on all the chicken pieces to our gravy. Bring the flame to high so that nicely the chicken gets immersed with the gravy. It blends nicely. I am adding in the oil, extra oil which we have used in frying the chicken. So now give a mix. To this I am adding in fresh cream, 1/4 cup of fresh cream. It gives a nice rich and creamy taste to the gravy. If you want a little spicy, you can skip this. Without the fresh cream also it tastes good. The original version is with fresh cream. And finally I am adding in some kasuri methi. Again, this gives a good aroma. It gives a nice tandoor aroma. Finally I am adding in 2 green chilies. We are going to close this and leave this in medium flame for 15 minutes. Our chicken changezi is ready now. It has turned out well. It's nice, rich and creamy. If you happen to visit Delhi, do try this recipe. Before that, try this recipe in your kitchen and leave your comments in the comment box. Meet you again with another interesting recipe. Ma salama. If you like this video, please subscribe, like, share and don't forget to click the bell icon.